If you've started or thinking about starting an affiliate marketing business and you aren't getting the results that you thought you would or the gurus told you were possible, it's likely you're making at least one, if not all, of these mistakes. I'm going to give you the top 4 mistakes that beginner affiliate marketers make and what you can do to avoid them, overcome them, and start to grow your business. And I'm going to show you how to get started with me so you can build your business the right way. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 4 mistakes that affiliate marketers make. And my hope for you is that you will take this information and look at it at what you are doing in your business and make sure you're avoiding these pitfalls so you can scale your business to the heights that you dream about. Now, before I dive into the top 4 mistakes, let me take a step back just in case you aren't sure what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, affiliate marketing is where you promote the products that have been created by others in return for a commission. The product creator is happy to pay you for sales because it means more customers for them that they can sell more products to in the future. And they don't have to spend on ads to get these customers. You do the work to get the sales for them and they pay you a commission, normally in the 40 to 50% range for sales you make for them. Now, if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get a free training course on how to get started, which comes with a bunch of other resources. There's also a way you can get more support from me to grow your business, so check that out at the end of this video. And look, since affiliate marketing is relatively simple, it's also simple to fall into the trap of these top 4 mistakes. And let me tell you, I've fallen for each of them at one stage, which is why I'm doing this video to help you avoid them. So let's dive into the top 4 mistakes that affiliate marketers make that hurts their ability to grow. So the first one is finding a niche that's profitable. And when it comes to getting started, all the gurus will tell you to focus on what you are passionate about. Makes sense, right? Start out in an area that you enjoy and you like to talk about. It's sound advice. However, the problem with this advice stems from what that personal interest might be. For example, when I first started out, I used to hear the example of people who loved baking. So they were encouraged to get into the baking niche. Problem is, the number of people who love baking is small. So a limited market is hard. So you instead need to think about how you can get involved in one of the 3 big markets that are growing massively and, even more importantly, are applicable to almost every human. The 3 big niches are health, wealth, and relationships. People will spend almost anything in order to improve their health, wealth, or a relationship. So they're markets that are growing, but also have many different sub-niches that are highly profitable for you to consider. In my business, when I first started out, it was in the wealth niche, and I taught people how to manage their money and grow their wealth. A big part of my teaching is multiple income streams, so I expanded into the health niche, but with a wealth component. So I'm now able to combine health and wealth. And as I mentioned, people will spend any amount of money to lose weight, to look better, to feel better, and to have more money. And I want to be the person they turn to get the information they need to improve their health and wealth. Okay, the second mistake that affiliate marketers make is promoting only one product. Again, the gurus will say, find one product, learn everything about it, and specialize in promoting it. Now, once again, this isn't bad advice. It makes sense to know everything you can about the product you're promoting. I get that and agree it makes sense. However, in order to build a sustainable business, to achieve the monthly income goals that you want, you need to have a suite of products. And the reason for that is reasonably important lesson, so lean into this. It's easier to sell new products to people who have already purchased something from you than it is to find new customers. So if you only have one product to sell, you're missing out on the opportunity to promote additional products to your buyers, the people who have already shown trust in you and believe in what you're promoting as being helpful to them. And coming back to my wealth motto of having multiple income streams, it makes sense to have multiple products to sell to generate a sustainable income by having multiple products generating income from your customers. Makes sense, right? The third mistake that affiliate marketers make is they forget about their email list. Now, I've done a video previously about the importance of your email list. You can click the link up there to see that training. Simply put, your email address is your most important asset. You always want to be growing your email list. And the simple reason is that people may not buy from you the first time they see you or your offer. So having an email list enables you to go back to them as you build up the trust factor to make them more offers. You never know when they will be ready to take up your offer. It might be today, tomorrow, or in 6 months' time. So having your email list and engaging with your email list is crucial to your success. You should always be growing your email list and engaging with them to build up trust and to provide them value so they feel comfortable buying from you. The final mistake I want to cover, and this is one that I battled pretty hard a couple of years ago, is becoming discouraged too early. The simple fact is, no matter what you hear elsewhere, success in affiliate marketing takes time. It's not an overnight success business. So when you start comparing yourself to others who might be further down the track, or worse, those that are inflating their results, it's the quickest way to become discouraged. If you keep doing the work, taking action and building up your business, then you will get the success you're seeking, but only if you stick with it. I see a lot of people become discouraged and give up too soon. It reminds me of the meme, you've probably seen it, the one of the character who's digging for gold, and you see how much he's been digging, and then he gives up just before he's about to discover the gold. The gold's just on the other side of where he stops digging. This is exactly the same as your affiliate marketing business. You need to ensure you don't get discouraged and give up just before you're about to have the success you're seeking. Learn to see the potential of where you can be and take the action to get there. Simple as that. Now, if you want to get started in affiliate marketing, or you want to see how to do it the right way, click the link in the description to get access to my free training on all the key features of an affiliate marketing business. There are a bunch of resources in there as well, and you get a special bonus ebook for checking it out. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and you learned the top 4 mistakes that will derail your affiliate marketing business and ability to scale it to the levels you're seeking. So let's do a quick recap of the top 4 mistakes that affiliate marketers make. Number 1 was finding a niche that's profitable. Number 2 is finding only one product to promote. Number 3 is forgetting about your email list. And number 4 is becoming discouraged too early. Now, if you want to follow what I'm doing, or you're interested in getting started in affiliate marketing, click the link in the description and let's get you started in building a sustainable, profitable affiliate marketing business and on your way to earning an online income in the next 30 days. Thanks for watching today's training, and don't forget to get access to my free course on affiliate marketing and how to get started. Click the link in the description and you'll get the free course and a bunch of resources to support you. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure you don't miss any of the good stuff and get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to get started with affiliate marketing. Click the link in the description and let's get you started from today.